Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive app, you should just go to Settings. Here in this page, we click Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. Then this list you'll enter to the app of Drive app as you see. Here in this page of app info, we click on Force Stop. Then we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. After that, we click Clear Cache. You will go to Play Store. You will search about Google Drive. If you'll find here in this blue sign update, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.